Here is our list of the best PC cases you can get right now. All the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. The NZXT H7 Flow is a premium eATX mid-tower case engineered for exceptional airflow, clean aesthetics, and an intuitive building experience. Its design features perforated mesh panels on the front and top, optimizing both intake and exhaust to keep components cool, even in high-performance setups. A key innovation is its vertical PSU layout, which opens the case's bottom for up to 3 120mm fans dedicated to direct GPU cooling, ideal for powerful graphics cards. The case follows NZXT's signature minimalist style, available in black, white, and other finishes, with a tempered glass side panel to showcase components. Builder-friendly features include tool-less panel removal for the front, top, and sides, plus an efficient cable management system with wide routing channels, built-in hooks, and straps for tidy wiring. The H7 Flow supports extensive cooling options, accommodating up to 10 fans and large radiators. It's compatible with eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini IDX motherboards, supports GPUs up to 410mm long, CPU coolers up to 185mm tall, and PSUs up to 200mm. An RGB variant, the H7 Flow RGB, includes pre-installed RGB fans for enhanced visual flair. The top I/O panel offers convenient access to USB Type-C, 2 USB Type-A ports, and a headset jack. Overall, the H7 Flow blends high airflow performance, versatility, and sleek design, making it a strong choice for enthusiasts and builders. The Cooler Master HAF700 Evo is a flagship full-tower PC case built for extreme cooling performance, high-end features, and bold aesthetics, reviving the iconic high airflow series. It includes 5 pre-installed fans, 2 massive 200mm Sickle Flow PWM front fans, 2 120mm ARGB rear fans, and 1 120mm ARGB bottom fan, paired with a mesh and glass front panel, featuring edge-lit intake blades for both airflow and visual flair. A standout element is the Iris circular LCD on the front, customizable to display system stats, personal images, or animations via Master++ software. Designed for unmatched cooling flexibility, it supports up to 18 120mm fans and massive radiators, including 480mm on the side, 420mm on the front, top, and bottom, or dual 360mm units on the top. Its tool-less design streamlines PSU, GPU, and drive installation, with a removable top panel and integrated ARGB and PWM hub for cable management. Component compatibility is extensive, supporting Mini IDX to SSIEB and SSICB motherboards, GPUs up to 490mm with vertical mounting via an included PCIe 4 riser, CPU coolers up to 166mm, and 12 convertible tool-free 2.5 and 3.5-inch bays. Aesthetically, it features tempered glass, angular styling, an interior infinity mirror, and robust build quality. The top I/O panel offers 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, and separate audio and mic jacks, making it a showcase case for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and style. The Lian Li LANCOOL 217 is a premium eATX mid-tower PC case combining elegant aesthetics with high-performance cooling and user-friendly design. Available in black with walnut wood, or white with beech wood, it features a steel frame, tempered glass side panel, and real wood accents, with a finely perforated mesh front panel for optimal airflow. Out of the box, it includes 5 PWM fans, 2 large 170mm front intakes, 2 120mm PSU shroud fans for GPU cooling, and 1 140mm rear exhaust. The front fans can be repositioned to prioritize CPU or GPU airflow. Builder-friendly innovations include modular PSU mounting, supporting both standard and rotated orientations for improved cable management and extra storage, compatibility with back-connect motherboards from Asus BTF and MSI Project Zero for cleaner cable routing, a tool-less fan installation system, a removable top panel, and dual power buttons for flexible desk setups. It supports a wide range of motherboard sizes up to SSIEB, GPUs up to 380mm with vertical mounting options, CPU coolers up to 180mm, and radiators up to 360mm on top. Storage flexibility includes multiple SSD and HDD mounts with 2 drive cages, while cable management is aided by a dedicated fan ARGB hub and numerous tie-down points. Additional features include magnetic dust filters and a front I/O panel with USB 3, USB-C, and audio ports. The Corsair 2500D Airflow is a micro ATX dual-chamber PC case designed for high-end cooling, clean aesthetics, and efficient organization in a compact footprint. Its standout dual-chamber layout separates the main components, motherboard, CPU, GPU, and cooling, from the PSU, drives, and cables, ensuring a clutter-free display through its tempered glass side panel. The hidden chamber, accessible via a mesh side panel, offers dedicated cable management, storage, and PSU space. Exceptional airflow is a core feature, with fully meshed panels on the front, top, bottom, and side for unrestricted ventilation. The case supports up to 11 120mm or 8 140mm fans, plus radiators up to 360mm on the top and bottom and 280mm on the front, making it ideal for air or custom liquid cooling. Compatible with micro ATX and mini eATX motherboards, it also supports reverse connector boards like ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero for cleaner cable routing. It accommodates GPUs up to 400mm with vertical mounting options, CPU coolers up to 180mm, and ATX PSUs up to 225mm. Builder-friendly features include tool-less side panels, extensive cable routing space with hooks, tool-free storage for two 3.5-inch HDDs and two 2.5 SSDs, and compatibility with Corsair's IQ Link system. The top I/O panel provides two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C port, and a combo audio mic jack, combining functionality with compact sophistication. The Lian Li LANCOOL 207 is a compact ATX gaming case that reimagines the standard mid-tower layout for better airflow, GPU cooling, and space efficiency. Its standout feature is a front-mounted PSU and slightly offset motherboard tray, creating a roomy main chamber that improves airflow to the GPU and provides clearance for a top-mounted 360mm radiator without increasing case width. Out of the box, it includes 4 fans, two 140mm ARGB front intake fans with infinity mirror effects, and two 120mm PWM bottom fans delivering direct GPU cooling. Mesh panels on the front, top, and bottom maximize ventilation. Available in black or white with a tempered glass side panel, it offers customizable ARGB lighting for visual appeal. Builder-friendly touches include the outward-facing PSU connectors for easy cable access, an included extension cable, a built-in adjustable GPU anti-sag bracket, and comprehensive cable management via a rear chamber with Velcro straps, hooks, and routing grommets. It also supports back-connect motherboards like ASUS BTF for an even cleaner build. Compatibility is extensive, supporting ATX, up to 244mm, micro ATX, and mini eATX motherboards, GPUs up to 375mm with optional vertical mounting, CPU coolers up to 180mm, and radiators up to 360mm on top. Storage options include 2 bays for either 3.5-inch HDDs or 2.5 SSDs. The top I/O panel features 2 USB 3 Type A ports, one USB 3.2 Type C port, and a combo audio and mic jack.